Quadratic identities are basically about putting one quadratic into a different form. Now, what we want to do in this question is take 2x squared minus 3x plus 5 and place it in this form. Now, it doesn't look like a very efficient form, but what we want to do is get equivalences between the two. We actually want to find what A, B, and C would actually do. So we're really just working on a different type of problem. So what we need to do in these questions is take the form that's got the brackets in there and expand that out. So if you can see what we've done, the expansion there, the a outside of the x squared minus 2x plus 1, there's its expansion of x minus 1 all squared, multiply it by the a, b times the x and b times the minus 1 gives us bx minus b, and c is just the constant by itself. What we've done in this stage is rearrange it. So what we do is get an x squared, we collect the terms in x, so minus 2a plus b, and then we collect the other three, which are just the constants, and put them together. That makes it a little bit easier to deal with once we start to now make it equivalent, because all this is equal to 2x squared minus 3x plus 5. So we make these two the same, and they're equal. So what we can do is look at the 2x squared and see that's equal to ax squared. They're both in terms of x squared. So if that's the case, a would have to be equal to 2. We also can see the term in front of x is minus 3 here and minus 2a plus b. So we make those equivalent as well. Now we do know from the previous part that a was equal to 2. We do the substitution, and then we can work out that we've got an equation now just with b. So we can solve for b, and b ends up being equal to 1. The constants on this side, a minus b plus c, must be equal to the constant on this side, which is 5. So we were able to set those equal to each other. We know a was 2, we proved b was equal to 1, leaves us with c in the equation, which is really easy to solve, simple linear equation, which comes down to c being equal to 4. So then we can write 2x squared minus 3x plus 5 as 2 outside of the x minus 1 all squared. There's one lot of x minus 1 and plus the 4.